Right, grilling with the good dogs. Hey, baby girl. Hey, Kleiner Bear. What are we doing today, dogs? We're gonna be doing boiled shrimp on the grill. So I have a big packet of shrimp here, all deveined, taking out the shells and everything. I'm gonna do 5 different kinds of flavors. I'm gonna do a Louisiana flavor, a Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch, mesquite barbecue, Frank's Red Hot honey stinging garlic, and a Caribbean jerk. There's gonna be 5 different types of boiled shrimp on the grill. What you're gonna need is some foil, olive oil, and butter. All right, so let me divvy these up. I'm gonna get everything kind of set up and show you what we're doing. Again, it's five different kinds. Should be fun, should be tasty. So let's get these ready. All right, each one of these has about 15 shrimp on it. Okay, so I'm gonna add some garlic to the Louisiana, nothing to the buffalo. Just 1 clove of garlic to the mesquite. I got 3 big cloves to the stinging honey garlic, and then 3 little cloves to the Caribbean jerk chicken. So what you're gonna do, about each one of these, I think is gonna be about 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I might add a little bit more butter. Now, when you do this, you can put the potatoes, you can put corn, you can put anything that you would normally do in a shrimp boil. I'm just doing just the shrimp this time. Maybe next time I'll do it with the little potatoes cut up and stuff. Well, let me get all that ready, and I'll show you what to do before I foil them. The grill right now is heating up to about 450, and we're gonna try and put all these on the upper rack. So let me get these ready. All right, so there's the Caribbean jerk chicken again. Just put some of the McCormick on there and some garlic. We got a butter on there. There's the Frank's Red Hot honey steamed garlic. Big cloves of garlic and a bunch of that stuff drizzled on it with some butter. We got the mesquite with some Stubbs smoky mesquite on there, and that smells fantastic. I can't wait to try more of that. And some butter and a little bit of garlic. Buffalo Ranch poured on it with the butter, and then the McCormick's Louisiana seasoning, Cajun seasoning, with a little bit of butter. So now I'm going to take about 1/8 of a cup, which is 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle it on all these. Then I'm gonna wrap them up. I'll show you what that wrap job looks like here in a minute. Where is my logo? Grill the good dogs. All right, got those folded. I'm gonna try and fold this one up for you. So lengthwise, fold it over. Do a good pinch where that pocket's gonna be. Lengthwise, fold it over. Again, do a good pinch where that pocket's gonna be. And then really, I just do it like that. Not too bad. Now, if you were doing this for a party, for a big group of people, yes, you'd have a lot more shrimp in each one. And you'd have, of course, the potatoes and corn and any other little thing like that. So this is just an experiment. You know, if I do this again, I'm going to get all the good, like, crawfish boil or shrimp boil stuff to make sure it's in there. You'd have more butter, you'd have more olive oil. This is just a small experiment, so I can't wait to try it. Let's put them on the grill. These lazy dogs, lazy, lazy, lazy. Had a big day yesterday. We were at a party with a whole bunch of other dogs. Cork was fine. Chef Kleinbear, you were a little embarrassing. You were acting like a little wuss. You've been around big dogs before. You love big dogs. What's wrong with you, Kleinbear? What's wrong with you? Chef Klein, Chef Klein, Chef Kleinbear. Let's get back to the cooking, dogs. We gotta make sure that. All right, smoker was kicking up a lot of smoke. Now I'm using the mesquite pellets again. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not impressed by them so far. That's the Caribbean. I don't know, you just don't get the smell that you do, honey garlic. You don't get the smell that you do with the hickory blend, I don't think. Mesquite, Buffalo Ranch, and Louisiana. So I'm thinking I'm gonna keep them here for about 25 minutes. The thing I was looking at was originally like what was it, 20 minutes, and it's at 425. I have it set for 400, so let's go with 25 minutes, maybe 30. See how it is. Grilling with the good dogs. It's an experiment, but I think it's going to taste fantastic. You can't go wrong with shrimp. Let's see what's up. All right. This Louisiana one kind of bubbling over. Guess I'll take them out and see what's what. I'll get my glove on. Can I do this? I can probably do it at the same time. Leave them on there for another few minutes. Don't seem all the way cooked yet. Grill the good dogs. Keep it going. Alright, just took them off the grill. I added another 10 minutes to the original 25. They were on for about 35 minutes. I opened up one of the packs. Looks good, looked edible. So, yeah, let me go bring them inside and we'll check them out. Grilling with the good dogs. Let's see what happens. Alright, I gotta try all these and give y'all some reviews on them before the Red Dragon gets too upset, because with her pregnancy nose, she can smell all this stuff and it disgusts her. First thing I'll say, the stubs, the mesquite barbecue, like burnt. They're still edible, but there is definitely burning. Let me try one of them. That's a unique taste. Never tasted a shrimp like that. That's good though. I like that. That's a good one. It's a unique texture to it. I've never really had shrimp like this, but it's so good. It is really good. All right, I'll come back and do the rest of them in a second. But yeah, maybe, I think the barbecue sauce may have been with burnt. I don't know. Still good and edible though, so like it. I'm gonna try the Caribbean jerk. See what that tastes. Ooh, drop my thing. Let's get this big one. Pretty good. It's drier than the last one. I definitely taste what this smells like. I don't know. I think that one could be better. We'll grow on that one. Stinging honey garlic. A lot of garlic residue left on it. That's pretty good. Good spice. Good. Really good. I like that. Needs a little more character. I might drizzle some honey in there next time, but it's still very good. Chef Klein, you don't get any right now. Okay. There's the Buffalo Ranch. I did this on the chicken and it was really good. Let's see how this does. Again, this one's a little drier. Again, there was only butter and olive oil in this one and the Caribbean one. Caribbean had a little bit of garlic. It's good though. Don't know if I'm hitting all these flavors though. I mean, I'll eat it. It is good because it's shrimp. Shrimp's fantastic. But I'm not getting the Buffalo Ranch taste. Let's see this Louisiana one. There's a big one right there. Let's get that one. Okay, I'm getting the taste from this McCormick, so that's good. So I like it. It's definitely good. That would go good on something like pasta with some tomatoes or something. So yeah, I'm gonna pick all this stuff up. I think it's well worth a try. Maybe I'll try it one day with some potatoes and all the seasonings and fixings that you'd usually see in a, no bear, that's not for you, Chef Klein, that you see in a normal shrimp boil. I guess Chef Baby Gee's off doing something else. Here we go. Grilling the good dogs. I call this a successful experiment. I got a couple days worth of shrimp to chat out on, so I'm happy. Chef Klein.